Alright, so this is what I have right now. I have refrained from talking about the virus so that I could be in prayer and meditation about it. Okay? After spending X number of weeks, months in isolation, because that's where I've been since January 9th. Going in, meditating, and being in close contact and prayer, ancestors, spirit beings, those that guide and protect me and others. And I am coming out of that space and directly into a global health crisis. So, this global health crisis, from what I am receiving, has its purpose. And the purpose is this is what it takes for us to be still and quiet enough to understand where it is that we have to be in here, in here. And not just where we want to be, because we are in survival mode. We're in survival mode now. The masses of us. Do note I said the masses. So be it. That's what we have. And this is what we're doing. What are you doing? How is it affecting you? You need to understand that for yourself. There has been a mandate for social distancing. We have been ordered to keep 6 feet away from each other. How is it affecting you? How do you choose to respond? What is the most important thing? These are the kind of things that are coming up for people. These are the kind of things that are coming up. We're in close proximity to each other, but we're keeping our distance from each other. So we are holed up in our houses with our families. I don't know if people are keeping 6 feet from each other in the house. I don't know. I don't know. But if we are practicing social distancing, then that's what we're practicing. That is our mantra. That's our practice. It becomes our practice. Now, if you are a person who meditates, hopefully you are. If not, this would be a good time to do so. Meditation is a practice. And as you are practicing your meditation, there are certain things that will be revealed to you about yourself, about your life, about the way that things are and what things are. You need to go to that place. Whatever that is for you. There's the hawk. They will show up.